Tell me about this question. How much time you need right now to become better? How much time you need to do this first action? Hi, my name is Hervé Micha. After to be graduate, I didn't know what I want to do in my life and which career I want. Pandemic time had big consequences on all of us, and with the lockdown I was so stressed and I felt anxiety and I was in the stressful environment. This long time I was so lost. After to be graduate, I wondering myself a lot of questions about myself, a lot of questions about my existence, what I'm doing right now, why I'm here, because for me it doesn't make sense. So I take time with me to think about it, to think about my present, to think about my future, to think about my career. At the time I hear this voice, let me ask you these questions, these fundamental questions. How much time you need to become better? Do you wondering yourself how much time you waste your time? How much time you don't do what you have to do right now in the present? There's a big impact and consequence on my identity, on my thoughts, and on my behaviors and emotions. These pandemic times was very stressful. This last of the year I work hard on my industrial design projects and I tried to find a new sense, but it was very complicated. I blame myself for everything. I was just focused on my project to finish this year, this stressful year. And right now here I am. For a long time I do bullshit. I waste my time. For this new year I decided to change my mindset, to change my vision of the reality, my vision of the world, my vision of the present, of the future. And at the time everything changed and I'm looking for a new sense in my life, in the present. The only things I find reset my mindset. I'm wondering myself what I'm able to do right now to change my life. I want to become my new version this new year. Until now I try to find a new sense, and it's the reason why I start to think smart, to think differently, to think outside the box. Before I just was focused on the hard working and not on the action I could do right now in the present to change my entire life. Maybe you have to be faced with the adversity and diversity. For me, it was very significant when I realized I have to pass in massive action. At the time, I was so introvert. I didn't have connection with people. At the time, I realized I did bullshit. I have to quit my comfort zone to make a reset in my brain and discipline myself to become the new version. It was very difficult because I felt the negative energy all the time. Right now is your time. Right now is the time to become better. Is the time to do the first step, to take the first decision, to quit your comfort zone, to quit social media, and to quit dopamine versus detox. It's the time to become better. It's the time to quit your old version and to become your new version you want. It's the time to meet people. It's the time to reach your goal. It's the time to overcome your deep fear. It's the time to change yourself, to change your mindset, to make a reset. It's the time to do massive action. It's the time to take some risk. It's the time to take good decision. It's the time to change your habits. For a long time I didn't understand this. You don't have control on the external things. You don't have control on the external system, the capital realism, the judgment of everyone have on yourself. If before I didn't know what I have to do to become better, for this new year I decided to change my mindset, to change my vision of the reality, my vision of the world, my vision of the present, of the future, my vision of everything. At the time, everything changed. At the time, I quit my comfortable zone. At the time, I take some massive risks. At the time, I start to meet some people, to have meeting and date. I start to meet a lot of people around me and I have connection with the world. Present, future, dopamine with detox. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and listen. Remember where you start. I wish you the best for this new year. I wish you the best to reach your goal. I wish you the best for every action you are going to do right now and every decision you are going to take to reach your goal. I wish you the best to build your career. Remember, right now is your time. Tell me in the comment what are you going to do right now to reach your goal, because time is up. I wish you the best for this new year. Bye bye.